All right, let's write down limit as n goes to infinity, absolute value, that's 9 to the n plus 1 times x plus 4 to the n plus 1 over 7 times n plus 1 times a reciprocal now, 7n. And what do you get over here? You get 9n, 9 to the n I should say, and x plus 4 to the nth power. Let's reduce, simplify as much as we possibly can. That's limit n goes to infinity. Well, I noticed the 7's cancel off, and that's pretty good because I didn't like them anyway. And the 9, what would you get? Let's see, you just get 9 on top. And let's take a look at this over here. Maybe I should put a fraction bar so quickly, right? Let me just erase this over here. So 9. And then let's look at the n's. You get n over n plus 1. That's relatively simple. And then you're going to get x plus 4. All right, let's see if I did a good job there. Yeah, I did okay. Can I do that limit? I can. As n goes to infinity, I'm just going to get 9, the absolute value of x plus 4. And that's got to be less than 1. So what does that mean? It means x plus 4 is between 1/9 and minus 1/9. All right? So that's like almost a deja vu problem. So let's keep going. What do you get over here? Well, I'm going to try to subtract 4 from both sides. So, it's minus 4 minus 1/9. That's minus 36, minus 1, minus 37 ninths. And then I'm going to do 1/9 plus 4. Well, 4 is 36 ninths. So it's going to be 37 ninths. Let me sure I did that right, by the way. And you know what? I didn't do it right. I just noticed what I said I was adding 4. I'm not adding 4. And someone says, how'd you know you did it wrong? I'm looking at those numbers. They made no sense to me. Let me write that over again. So 1/9 minus 4. So that's going to be 1/9 minus 36 over 9, which is going to be minus 35. All right? So what do you do now? You have to look at the endpoints. And there's 2 endpoints to look at. And let's write it down. Let's do the right one first. It's going to be sum n equals 1 to infinity. You get 9 to the n. And then, minus 35 ninths plus 4. I got to be careful here, right? So what do you get there? 4 is 36 ninths. So you can get 1/9. And that's over 7n. Now, what do I know about that? The top number is just the number 1. So really, what am I getting? I'm getting a divergent harmonic. So this is divergent, so I'm not going to include that. Let's do the other one. And yeah, I'm kind of looking at it. Someone says, well, do you know what it is? I always say, do the work. N equals 1 to infinity. You're going to get 9 to the n. And then you're going to get, let's see, I got to be careful here. So minus 37 ninths plus 4, it's going to be minus 1/9 to the nth power, and that's over 7n. Now certainly I'm going to go one step further on that one. You're going to get minus 1 to the nth power, and then you're going to get 7 to the n. Now this is convergent, right? This is an alternating series test. We could do that on it, but it's convergent. What does that mean? I'm going to include that. What's their question now? Their question is, what's the interval of convergence? Let's write this down. So it's from minus 37 ninths up to minus 35 ninths. Now mistakes happen, and that's why keys are being provided to you, to give you a heads up on your work over here. You have a lot of work down here. So let's take a look and see if we got that. A closed interval, minus 37 ninths. I do see that. And an open interval at minus 35 ninths, and I'm seeing that. Thank you.